Hello to everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar hosted by EverFocus Group. My name is David Chiu from Corsa Technology. My position is Regional Account Manager for the European area. And I'm very delighted to be here as your speaker for today's sections. Today, we will be discussing an exciting and important topic, how the Corsa HAI solutions contribute to ESG. In this webinar, we aim to provide you with valuable insights and various devices showcase its capabilities and applications. Considering the deterioration derived from greenhouse gas, net zero is a paramount target for enterprises to scrutinize carbon emissions and social responsibility, preserving the environment. In the following slide, I will refer to some application scenarios. The framework will help rapidly showing how a Corsa HAI solutions function on premises. The solutions derive sensational performance AES Q670A1. HAI device is powered by Intel Core 12 and 13 generation processor with the NVIDIA RTX series graphic card. It performs outstanding computing capacity for image recognition, automation, video streaming, and other AI influence applications. HAI device manages overall operation in the facility, also provisions real-time adjustment in response to potential issues and the critical problems. Power supply offers 12 to 36 voltage DC in power, which does not only ensure the high performance but also secures the operation substantially. DDR5 memory up to 64 GB gives superior read-write speed. A bundle I/O contains 6 of serial ports, 6 of the USB, multi-HDMI, and DP port, including wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi and M.2 extension slot, 2 of swappable 2.5-inch SSD slot, and the single FNAE SSD socket for optimal storage performance. AMD DNV3 is designed for SD-WAN and the UCBE platform, which enables agile deployment and secures network solutions for enterprise endpoint. While stepping down the network complexity architecture, the appliance integrate with SD-WAN structure where virtualized network functions are broadly distributed performing managed service such as cloud-based next-generation firewall, SASE, and the zero trust network access. The flexible approach minimizes risk in supply chain as well as reduces considerably network investment. The 5G platform is powered by Intel Atom C3000 server-grade processor and supports diverse network interface in response to different requirements. There are 6 of 2.5 GB Ethernet, 2 of 1 GB SSD fiber, and 2 of 10 GB SSD plus fiber. Also, the onboard TPM 2.0 hardware security. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to supporting your journey towards ESG excellence. Thank you again, and see you soon.
A crosser.